1 Minute Portuguese Lesson 7.
Olá! Hello!
It's Mark and Susana here, your Portuguese teachers, bringing you 1 Minute Portuguese from the Radiolingua Network. Each lesson of 1 Minute Portuguese teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how to say it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say, my name is? You would say,
Chamo-me Susana.
now when you meet someone, it's only polite to say that it's nice to meet them. To say this in Portuguese, you would say,
Prazer em conhecer.
listen again.
Prazer em conhecer.
Try it one more time.
Prazer em conhecer.
Now this actually means pleasure in knowing. Listen one more time to the phrase,
Prazer em conhecer.
good, so maybe your Portuguese-speaking friend could help you with your Portuguese. Listen to this phrase.
Gostaria de aprender mais português.
It means, I would like to learn more Portuguese. Of course, you're already learning it, but this phrase will help you make lots of Portuguese-speaking friends. Try saying it again after Susana. She will say it slowly.
Gostaria de aprender mais português.
One more time.
Gostaria de aprender mais português.
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Portuguese-speaking friends or business colleagues. Try to listen again to today's episode and practice the phrases that you've learned. That's all for today. Obrigado e adeus.
Obrigada e adeus.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.